India has successfully administered 100 crore or 1 billion COVID 19 vaccines. India has surpassed all countries except China in administering 100 crore doses. It is also one of the only two countries with a billion plus population along with China. However, while India crossing this landmark is not a small feat, there are still several hurdles that India needs to overcome. As of now, around 70% of the adult population in India have received at least one dose, but only around 30% have received both the doses.
Some states have taken precautions and prioritized the tribal populations. But large sections of the urban poor, the migrant population, coverage is a problem. And there is also a lot of hesitancy because of many reasons, which are there. So I think without a very active outreach program, where you actually track all the people who have got covered and who needs the second dose and being able to make sure you have delivered the second dose correctly, is going to remain a challenge. And I don't see anywhere that being completed by the end of this year.
Just to put things in perspective, half of the eligible population in Karnataka is yet to take a second COVID jab despite availability of vaccines. The story repeats itself in several states. On October 10, top virologist Dr. W. Ian Lipkin cautioned at a media conclave that India still does not have a safety armor because the percentage of people vaccinated is still very small. While only 30% of the population is fully vaccinated, there is also another 30% of the population under the age of 18 who are not yet eligible for vaccination. India has approved Zydus Cadilla's COVID-19 vaccine for children above 12 years. However, we are still waiting for the guidelines for vaccinating children. Along with this, the Subject Expert Committee has recommended the emergency use authorization for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin for children aged between 2 and 18 and is waiting for final approval. There are close to 40 crore children in this age group, and it is very unlikely that one single company will be able to meet the demand, all the while producing for the adult population. On Saturday, October 17, Niti Aayog member V.K. Paul said that the centre will decide the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine for children below the age of 18 years based on the overall scientific rationale and the supply of vaccines. As of September, only 1 in 11 Indians managed to get Covaxin as the company failed to ramp up its production. Krishna Ella had said that the company would supply 5.5 crore doses from October. With many schools reopening and children returning to schools, the status of vaccination for children is a factor of concern going ahead. While juggling issues of supply, India also has to address the issue of administering booster doses. Recently, WHO has recommended a booster shot for immunocompromised people. However, India has said that boosters are not necessary as a high seroprevalence of COVID-19 would lead to significant natural immunity. Moreover, India is still not in any position to roll out boosters when a large chunk of its population remains unvaccinated. Experts say that there is also a concern of a new variant surfacing.
If we are not sure that we have any strain that is reliably doing what we will call immune escape, meaning a person who is got in the past gets reinfected. That's low. But vaccine escape is pretty common. Breakthrough infection, that's it's called, is pretty common.
Despite all these challenges, India is still aiming to fully vaccinate its entire adult population by the end of the year. That would mean 90 crore more doses between now and December 31 and will be a steep climb ahead for the country. A Federal Report.